Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the topic subject and object pronouns, and this topic is taken from the unit To a Little Girl That Has Told a Lie. Before starting, let's talk about pronouns. What are pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are pronouns. They are used to take the place of nouns in sentence. They refer to the speaker or speakers, the person or persons spoken to, or the person or persons spoken of. Here is an example for you. Daniel likes basketball. Daniel is a noun. Likes is verb. Basketball is object. He plays it all the time. Now he is replacing the name Daniel. Plays it is replacing the object basketball all the time. Now he and it are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns may be used as subject of a verb and the object of the verb. For example, he plays it all the time. In this sentence, he is subject pronoun and it is object pronoun. Now let's see the example of subject pronoun. Jane likes dogs. Jane is subject, likes is verb. She has got one. She is a personal pronoun which is replacing Jane noun. Now let's see how many subject pronouns do we have in English language. First person I, second person you, third person he, she, it. First person plural we, second person plural you, and third person plural they. This is the example of subject pronoun he. My father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. So he is subject pronoun. Another example, our classroom is great. It is big and comfortable. In this example, it is subject pronoun. Now let's see what are object pronouns. Jane likes dogs. She likes to stroke them. In this sentence, dog is object and object pronoun is them, that is used for dogs. Now let's learn about object pronouns. First person singular object pronoun is me, second person singular you, third person singular him, her or it. First person plural object pronoun is us, second person object pronoun is you, and third person object pronoun is them. Now let's observe object pronoun in different sentences. Daniel is painting. His mother is helping him. In the first sentence, Daniel is subject, but in the second sentence, his mother is helping him. Him is used for Daniel and him is object pronoun. She knows the answer. In this sentence, the answer is object. She knows it and it is object pronoun. We love Miss Jones. She teaches us many interesting things. You can see here, we is subject pronoun and in the other sentence, she teaches us. Us is object pronoun of we. I am sure students you have learned about the difference between subject pronoun and object pronoun. Now here is an exercise for you. This exercise is on page number 40. You can see exercise 1. Underline the subject pronoun in the following sentences. You will read the sentences, underline them, subject pronoun, and you will write at the given space. Then in the next exercise, you will again read the sentences, you will underline the object pronoun, and you will write in the given space. In the last exercise, select the subject or object pronoun from the correct and write in the space at right. Also name the pronoun as subject or object. These are mixed sentences. In these sentences, you will find out both subject and object pronoun. You will categorize them separately and then you will write in the given space. This exercise is also solved in your worksheet. This will help you to learn about subject pronoun and object pronoun. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.